Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the error could not load Stardew Valley or one of its dependencies. You're going to want to open Steam, go to Stardew Valley and right click it, and click Properties. Select Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Doing this will reset the content files of the game. Now go to Manage Downloads and check if you have any updates for Stardew Valley. If you do have any updates, just update them. You can also go to Stardew Valley's Properties again, go to Betas. Under beta participations dropdown, check that you're not running the compatibility branch. Make sure it's select none. If you're using Stardew Valley's mod loader Smappy, make sure you're using the latest version of the mod loader. I'll have a link in the description to this website where you can just download the latest version. If you do have Smappy installed, you can go to Properties again, go to Installed Files, Browse, and you should find an exe file called Stardew modding API.exe. This is the Smappy mod loader, and you should always launch Smappy from inside your game folder. You can also create a shortcut for the exe, and you can place it on your desktop. If nothing else works, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's really helped the channel out a lot. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.